Hey, welcome to Yellow Mountain Garden. I'm your boy Malcolm Banks. I'm about to explain some easy little tips that you can do to plant your Cherokee purple seeds. Um, these seeds are non-GMO. I usually get them from Baker's Creek, but I want to try Johnny Seed variety out to see how good they do. What is the difference? You know, I might actually do a video comparing which seed is the best. But anyways, let me drop a little knowledge on y'all real quick about tomatoes. People hit me up all the time. They be like, Malcolm, my tomatoes are slumped over. My tomatoes are burnt out. So I'm gonna give y'all some little quick tips or something that you need to learn real fast. And I'm gonna answer those questions real fast. Okay. First of all, when you plant a tomato seed, when you plant it, it depends on when you plant it. Okay, say like now, for instance, I have it in a greenhouse. So I want to make sure the temperature is above 45 degrees if I'm trying to germinate these seeds inside of this greenhouse. So we don't need this greenhouse to get below 55 in the next few days while this seed is trying to germinate and stuff, because why? It'll rot in the plant, it'll rot in the roots, and the plant won't come up. Some people may be like, oh man, I ordered some bad seeds, but guess what? Your room temperature wasn't good enough. And then one thing is about these plants too, you know, basically when they get into they like second leaves, that's when you need to transplant them into like a bigger space or a bigger pot. And once you transplant them in a bigger space, in a bigger pot, the seeds get bigger. That's when you can add in some of your nutrients. And I like to start off with fish fertilizer. So I'm basically saying for my first 3 to 4 weeks, I just feed my tomato plant water. And then once the leaves start getting big on it, and that's when I apply like my root starter or some fish fertilizer type liquid fertilizer type of stuff. Or sometimes I already have my nutrients inside of the soil. So it just all depends on how you want to do it. So I had to give y'all some little tips on that. And then if you wanted to start it inside of the house, you can start them under grow lights. And let me give you the schedule to that. And you can start off with a 24 on your grow light. You can start off for a week from that. And then after that, you can start climbing back to like 18.6. And then you can go back to 16.4. And then you can transplant those things outside. All right, guys. I hope these tips help y'all. And I hope y'all catch it